Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Coppertop Productions. In this week's video, we are going to jump in and put this windscreen in the back of this Skyline. It's going to be a very quick video today because we have a lot of driving to do. This afternoon, I'm going to be driving out. In fact, by the time you're watching this video, I will already be in Melbourne, Australia for the LZ World Tour Australia stop. I'm really keen for that, but for right now, we've got to chuck this in and get into it because I don't have a lot of time before I actually have to leave for Melbourne. So let's get into it. First thing I'm going to do is clean this all down with ice spray. Alright, so we've cut a bit of a slit in that so that as we go along here, it'll have a point on it. And the whole reason for that is it makes it easier for the windscreen to bind to the rubber sheet. Fuck, this is gonna pain in the ass. Oh, fucking hell. That is so brutal. We've put a decent bead the whole way around. It's all joint. When I had to stop and start again, which I know you're supposed to try not to do, I've overlapped them so they're all good. And there's a decent bit on there so that when we put the windscreen on, it'll squish it all down nicely. It's times like this when I have to remind myself that I'm not a professional and that this is in fact a drift car. But yeah. It's going in. Alrighty, well, it's got a few bits that sort of poked out, but I'd rather it push out than not push out at all and then think that I put too little on there or whatever. And all in all, I'm pretty happy with how it went on. It's going to be airtight, I know that much, because, yeah. Stoked. Put that on the wrong way. I hope I can turn that around. Yeah, I can. Very good. So, yeah. Anyway guys, that is going to be it for this week's video. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I am about to leave for LZ Fest, which is a 6-7 hour drive from where I am. It's going to be a big day's worth of driving, and I've still got to edit this video and upload it to go up at 5 o'clock tonight. So by the time you're seeing this video, I will be in LZ Fest land. I'll be in Melbourne. And if you want to catch a few sneak peeks of the LZ Fest, I'll post a lot on my Instagram story. It's Ian_CTP. So go check that out if you want sort of live updates as I'm going through it. And yeah, otherwise I will see you guys next week where I will be at LZ Fest having an absolute blast. It's going to be sick. I'm keen. Yep. I'll leave it there for this week's video. If you have enjoyed, leave a like down below, leave a comment telling me what you think, and if you haven't done already, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on this build and many others. Catch you next week. Bye.